While Pakistan is facing war in its northern fronts and making headlines around the world for its war against militancy, the Pakistan Fashion Week was an attempt to show the lighter and brighter side of the violence-ravaged country. The most recent Pakistan Fashion Week was held in Lahore and was partly motivated by a deliberate decision on the participants to defy the recent attempts of Islamist extremists and militants to Talibanize the country.
The image that people have about Pakistan is that it's about maybe just burqas and women staying at home. So we want to tell them that Pakistan is not about that only, and we want to use our heritage and our culture to promote fashion, and we've all tried to keep that in mind.
Where designers take inspiration from different and diverse sources. On one hand, their collection reflected an amalgamation of vibrant embroidery inspired by the Kailash and Kafristani aesthetic. The rest mirrored Swathi embroidery.
Actually, we have dedicated the collection to the women of Swat because all the hardships that they've gone through, and so we've taken all the colors and all the motifs and basically the colors and motifs from there, and it's called Poetry of Color. Okay. But the silhouette is very Western, very modern.
We both come out and whack the fucker and we got him. Pakistan's got a very young culture, very vibrant, very creative and original, and I think that the fashion shows, things like this, just really showcase that in a terrific way, and I think it's wonderful.
It was a major annual event involving Pakistani designers and high-end models in the cultural capital of Lahore. Four Pakistani designers, including veterans Maria B, Kamya Rokni, Zara Shahjahan and Hassan Shahryar Yassin, showcased their collections. Maria B is not a new name in Pakistan's fashion industry. A graduate of the Pakistan School of Fashion Design, Maria launched her label Maria B in Lahore a few years back. She has now outlets spread all over the country, with one in London. Maria's signature line comprises cotton shalwar kameez, churidar pajama and embroidered evening wear, all meticulously cut and stitched and quickly snapped up by trendy Lahoris. In previous fashion shows, outfits she has showcased range from cotton sleeveless shalwar kameezes, net culottes to chiffon saris, which embody the look of the modern Pakistani woman. Over the course of her career, Maria has learned that there is tremendous scope for Pakistani fabrics in the international market and is determined to make her mark globally. As she says with confidence that she's a staunch patriot, she wants to take Pakistan's name to the international fashion scene and also wants to show people around the world what a rich heritage we have.
My collection is very Rajasthani, very spiritual, but at the same time very modern cuts, but with Rajasthani embroideries. All Pakistani kapra, all Pakistani kaam, all Pakistani collection.
Maria's main goal is to export her dresses abroad and expand her business in the international market.
Fashion Week actually makes the industry grow and become more, let's say, professional. Not only will people churn out 2 collections a year, people will also be very, very careful about each season, spring, summer, autumn, winter, the way it is internationally in Paris, London, New York. So it's all going to happen here, and Pakistan is going to do really well, inshallah.
Shah Jahan presented her cutting-edge and classic designs in the Lahore Fashion Week, focused on the notion that it did not allow a woman to let go of her heritage and yet not let it hold her back. Zara Shah Jahan's portfolio comprised of dresses that were long and traditional.
Pakistan Council has done a lot for the craft, for the designers to use the craft in their clothes. For example, the pulkari and the chikankari and the shadow work. So we've been giving orders to small villages, and so it's becoming a proper industry where people are getting jobs. We are making jobs and job opportunities. So I think it's a great thing for Pakistan all over. It is. It's a huge step. And in the beginning, everybody said that because of security issues, buyers are not going to come. But as the hype started, all the buyers started calling themselves and they said they want to come. And especially Lahore, look at the weather, look at the scene around you. So everybody wants to be here.